I want your money. I don't want your money. I just want you. I just want you to be happy. And money doesn't buy happiness. And you hang out with your friends and best friends. Oh, you and with the money, it does not make you happy. Your friends and family make you happy. Family make you happy, friends you make you happy, and money doesn't change, doesn't buy you anything, doesn't buy you. Doesn't buy you, doesn't buy you happiness. They don't buy your friends and family makes you happy. Wait a minute. Was I recording? Shoot! Oh my god, I definitely shot it so bad. Oh my god, I just embarrassed myself. No! This is the worst ever. What? Oh my god, I would be embarrassed myself. Oh my god. Don't watch this video, please. Please, seriously, I sounded so bad.